Hey guys, we're gonna do something really cool today. Pay attention. On today's episode of Tool Showdown, we're going to compare two tools that do basically the same thing. Same size drills in. We're going to make some holes with an old-fashioned egg beater drill. This one happens to be a Miller's Falls Buck Rogers series, and a battery drill. So we're going to compare them for speed and how well we like them more than anything else. So let's get that timer rolling on the screen. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm holding it straight up and down as well as I can, driving it through, cranking it on. We're making our hole. We got 2. Let's back it out. Let's do another one just because we can. Sure is quiet, isn't it? Oh, there we go. We got 2. So that is our egg beater drill, hand powered. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna compare on our showdown how we do the same thing with a good old everyday modern day battery drill. Same size bit, everything. Let's get that timer on the screen again. 3, 2, 1, go. Look at that, I'm holding it straight up and down, going through, bringing it out. There, stop the timer. Obviously, the battery drill is going to be a whole lot quicker, but the egg beater drill is a whole lot more fun. It's a whole lot quieter, and I just plain whatever you like it better. So if I've got to go for speed and repetition, I'm going to go with the battery drill. But if I'm going to have fun in my shop, I'm always going to go with the hand tool, the good old everyday egg beater drill from Miller's Falls. So that's our tool showdown. If that's something you like and enjoy, let us know in the comments down below. Better yet, if you've got ideas on tools you'd like to see us compare, let us know and we'll make sure we go ahead and put those out for you. Thanks for coming back. Tool Showdown is one of the cool things we get to do.